Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to put dates in order in Google Sheets. So first of all, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then first of all, you're gonna need to open up your browser and just basically search for this website where it says google.com/sheets, and go to this option where it says go to sheets here, and it will open up a blank sheet for you to edit. So here you can see that I have some dates here, and these dates are not in a particular order. Okay, so to make these dates in order here, basically let's suppose that you have maybe hundreds of dates here. Okay, and you want to put those dates in order. That how you can do this? First of all, you're going to need to select that specific column, then click on data, and then create a filter, and then you need to tap on this filter option here, and basically you have to sort it through A to Z. So if I will sort it through A to Z, okay, so the oldest date will be up and the latest date will be down below, like this one. Okay, so today is 4/9/2023, as you can see here. Okay, and if I just sort it from Z to A, then the latest date will be up. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.